if you want to add your own markers and pins on Google Maps in your desktop, first off, just open up your map on Google. Once you do that, click on the top left 3 lines. And once you click on those lines, click on Saved. Now, once you click on Saved, click on Maps over here. Click on Open My Maps over here, and this will let you create your own map. So click on Create a New Map and click on Create. Now, in your own individual map, you can get started with adding your own markers and pins. So you can add different layers as well as different items. So let's say I just want to add a layer over here. And from here, I can click on Add Marker and I can add a marker over here. Let's say this is going to be 0.1. And I can just add that marker. And I can build individual layers as well as add all of my pins in one layer, like this. And in this way, you can build your own markers and pins on Google Maps. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe.